अस्सलाम वालेकुम स्टूडेंट्स। आज हम स्टार्ट करेंगे क्लास 9 की केमिस्ट्री का फर्स्ट चैप्टर फंडामेंटल्स ऑफ केमिस्ट्री। मेन टॉपिक है मुस्लिम साइंटिस्ट और ऑब्जेक्टिव हैं इंट्रोडक्शन ऑफ केमिस्ट्री, कंट्रीब्यूशन ऑफ मुस्लिम साइंटिस्ट, एमसीक्यूज एंड शॉर्ट क्वेश्चन। फर्स्ट, इंट्रोडक्शन ऑफ केमिस्ट्री. It is the branch of science that deals with the study of matters and changes in the matter. Chemistry is very important. It has large application. For example, cosmetic, plastic, paint, soap, pigment, machine, drug, and so many other things that we use in our life are the blessing of chemistry. Without these things, life is colorless. Second is contribution of Muslim scientists. First, Muslim period. Muslim period starts from 600 AD and ends at 1600 AD. During this period, Muslim contribute a lot of knowledge in the development of science of chemistry. In this period, Muslim work on three main goals. Number one, to find the method to make life long. Number two, how to convert base metal into gold. Number three, to find physical evidence to support religious and philosophical beliefs. Although Muslims fail in these objectives, but they laid the foundation of laboratory method, and during this period they discovered some elements, invent some instruments, and introduce some chemical process. The element they discovered are arsenic, antimony, and bismuth, and some of the instruments that they introduce are funnels and crucible, and chemical process that they introduce are filtration, fermentation, distillation, and sublimation. Number first Muslim scientist is Ibn Sina. Ibn Sina is also known as Abu Ali Sina. He is called Aristotle of Muslim world. He was born in 980 AD Bukhara, Uzbekistan, and died in 1037 AD Hamadan, ईरान. तो ये क्वेश्चन जो है दो तरह से बोर्ड के पेपर में आ सकता है. एक तो वो ये पूछ सकता है कि एमसीक्यूज में कि इब्न सीना कौन सी तारीख को पैदा हुए, या फिर वो ये पूछ सकता है कि इब्न सीना कौन से सिटी और कौन से शहर में पैदा हुए, या यूं भी आ सकता है क्वेश्चन ब्लैंक्स में कि इब्न सीना कब और कहाँ वफात पाए. नेक्स्ट, कंट्रीब्यूशन इन डिफरेंट सब्जेक्ट. ही इज़ अ फेमस for his contribution in the field of medicine, mathematics, astronomy, and philosophy, etc. Idea about the gold formation. He was the first scientist who rejected the idea that base metal can be converted into the gold. Before this, scientists believed that base metal can be converted into the gold, but he rejected this idea. He also wrote hundreds of books which were being taught in Europe. What are the base metals? शॉर्ट क्वेश्चन में आ सकते हैं कि what is base metal? तो base metals are those metals which are cheap and inexpensive and commonly found in life. For example, copper, tin, zinc. And what are the expensive or what are the precious metal? Precious metals are gold and silver. और वो ये भी पूछ सकते हैं व्हाट इज मेटल. मेटल आर द substances which conduct electricity. They have mobile electron or free electron. Metal can be drawn into the wire और इस प्रॉपर्टी को हम कहते हैं कि वो क्या है, डक्टाइल। और इसी तरह मेटल क्या होते हैं, मेलिएबल होते हैं, दे कैन बी ड्रॉन इनटू दी शीट्स। तो या तो वो एमसीक्यूज में दे सकता है ये क्वेश्चन, या फिर शॉर्ट क्वेश्चन की फॉर्म में आएगा, तो वो मैंने आपको दोनों बता दिए। थैंक्स।